Hi, today we're gonna paint the hood. First we're gonna prep the hood, then we're gonna apply another coat of primer because this one is pretty rough, and we're gonna sand it down with 600, then we're gonna put some base and clear coat. So let's begin. First, some sections. We're gonna put As you can see, you can barely see the black paint. It's in the little holes. That's how I can see when sanding it. Did I get deep enough? I'm going to use grit P360. It's raining. It's obvious it's going to rain. Put this box underneath. So this junk, it was glued, everything is broken. Oh, these are the originals from 2004. Nice, but they're junk. Okay, next thing, I'm gonna take off the hood, but first I'm gonna prepare myself a surface where I can lay my hood, finish the cleaning, and maybe a bit scuffing with gray. Don't touch the tripod. Don't. Now there are two of them messing around with my job. I'm gonna prep, put some base and clear. So let's take the hood off. This is anti-silicone. Remove all the contaminants. This surface does not need to be scuffed. It's already okay to put base and clear coat over it. So I'm just gonna clean the surface and put some paint on it. I'm not gonna get into this place because there is a sound barrier here and it's just a waste of paint, so I'm gonna do only the sides. So first, I would like to say that the hood painting job was a complete mess. The water filter was broken, and I did not notice that. It was dripping all over the hood, and I needed to wipe the water down all the time. I tried to put the cloth on it, but the paint job process was a failure, and I tried to cover it up with more clear coat. The end result that I got was embarrassing. I didn't film afterwards. I tried to polish it, but it was too great of an orange peel. I tried to sand it down, and I succeed sanding it down, but I couldn't do the polishing on my own because I don't have the right tools. So I called my friend and asked him to save my hood, which he did. And you can see his contact in the description below. This is his Instagram profile, so you can see it's here, don't know. Now I'm going to show you how I completed the hood assembly. And now you can see the videos after the polishing and kidney grill installment. So leave a comment, do you like what I did or don't like what I did, what could I do better? Leave a comment and see you on the next one.